Uptown Swing.
That's right.
This is level 3.
Musicality
And
connection.
connection.
I don't care about connection. So
Yeah, we don't
first, musicality. We reviewed what we did last week, and we talked about the different song structures, and then we use those to feel where breaks usually happen within those song structures. So at the end of a phrase in AABA, at the end of the first half in ABAC, and then at the beginning of our chorus in 12-bar blues, and we shook our butts at the right moment, and it was great.
And that's the only time it ever happens, so that's the only, you'll never ever get it wrong. Just kidding.
I'll say
It's
it.
variable. We'll see.
You'll have a little leg up on
Yeah.
90% of the songs you dance to.
And listen to some of the songs so you can feel how they might have sounded when they first came out. It can help you get it in your head and react to your body a little better.
They're good.
We did some, don't shush me, girl. I'll say what I want. Actually, what I want to say is the next thing, though. We did this connection stuff. We had the followers kind of backlead send out. Many followers dream. There it is right there. And we talked about this feeling at the end.
Not being here at the end.
Yeah, so we talked about kind of 3 ways. We had a really stiff way where the leaders kind of punish the followers. Thanks for going out there. That's what you get. And then we had one where we're like, hey, the never-ending road to the tune of Never-Ending Story. I don't know if you get that. And then we had one where it's kind of in the middle, a little elastic. No, Jeremy? Didn't get it? Okay. Triple step, stretch. It's a little stretch, but I'm catching something. Naomi's got the power in the dance. I've got the plan. She doesn't have the plan. I do have the plan, but I don't have the power to make it all happen. So we talked about having the followers really take that rock step for themselves, and then the leaders sort of feel, oh, what do they need? So when Naomi does that, I go, oh, that's what I got to do next time. So when we try to circle and danced in here, I try to set up that much rock step and that much send out for my partner so that it's kind of comfortable. And you try to adjust to each partner that you dance with. And a bunch of other stuff that we cannot replicate here. And then we talked about walking backwards in this sort of way and follow. Just don't catch up to your leaders. When you do that, life is very hard. And then everyone did it, and everyone's a perfect, masterful swing dancer now, and they all have the best connection ever. You're welcome.
Bye.